and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Taxi operators' agitation turns violent at Kalangut and Porvorim. Operators pelted stones. Police used tear gas and lathi charge. Few injured, many arrested. Search for attackers on. Government sacks Vishnu from Kala Academy Chairmanship and Vice Chairmanship of ESG. Mandrekar and Damu Naik replace him respectively. Lok Sabha poll notification anytime now. Election Commission office gears up with new electronic voting machines, having none of the above option. CM's anti-media comments create furor. Congress NCP criticized CM for undemocratic stance. Goa Union of Journalists demand apology from CM. Jail authorities file a case against Tarun Tejpal for possessing a mobile phone in Sarasab jail. FIR after surprise search on Sunday. And Sankhli swimmers host short course swimming competition. Opposition leader Rani stresses on requirement of coach. Taxi operators' strike on Monday took a violent turn late night at Kalangut and Porvorim as taxi operators blocked the road at Kalangut and Porvorim and set things on fire, paralyzing the traffic along in-roads and the highways. Agitated operators also pelted stones at the police. Police resorted to lathi charge and tear gas to control the situation, which injured many, including Prudence video journalist. Police have arrested few and the search operation in Porvorim area was on till late night to take attackers in custody.
गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन काय मागना आनी गव्हर्मेंटाचे कांयच नाकात कित्याक ज्या मनशाक हांव म्हणटा दिवंक जायना तो म्हणजे तोंडांतलो घास तरी काडटा कित्याक काडटा.
The tourists at the airport were the victims of the strike. They had a tough time soon after they arrived at the airport.
And it's like very hectic, and it's not about us, it's about everyone who has come to Goa and has to go to their place by today. And due to strike, everyone is stuck at their own places.
दिक्कत यही है कि जो हम यहाँ पे एंजॉय करने आए थे, स्टे करने आए थे और ये फालतू में हरासमेंट हो रही है.
However, some of the prepaid taxis helped the tourists to a great extent.
तेका लागून आमकां एक्सपिरियन्स आहा अशें भायल्यांक ही जी पार्टी आहा ती बेंगलोरची आतां पार्टी येयल्या ती पुण्याची अशें सगळे कडसून पार्टी येतले आनी आपलो बिझनस सेटअप करतले आनी आमच्या पोटार आड येतले तेका लागून आमी ओलाक विरोध करता पूण हो बंद आहा आमी टॅक्सी पब्लीक सर्वीस आसल्या कारणान आमी हे गाडयो बंद दवरूंक शकना पूण हेचो अर्थ असो न्हू की आमी सपोर्ट करना आमी विरोध करता हेका ओला कॅबाक विरोध करता आमी.
We spoke with one of the coastal belt MLAs, Michael Lobo. He says that government should take that local taxi operators into confidence before taking any decision. Lobo said that tourists at Kalangut faced problem due to unavailability of cabs.
All Goa tourist taxi drivers and owners जे I strike तेणी start केला Kalangut, Kandolim, Baga आणि entire coastal belt आमचो paralyzed जाल्लो आहा. Tourists are inconvenient. ये actually tourism department आणि department of director of transport हेंच्यांनी तेंका काल नाल्यार पयर आपोवन तेंचे कडेन एक मिडिएशन करून तेंका खंय तरी हे करपाक जाय आसलें की तुमी हे स्ट्रायक कॉल ऑफ करा आमी वी विल सॉल्व युअर प्रॉब्लम.
The protesters are against the recent permission to privately run Ola cab service and women's taxi service. The service will be directly in competition with the traditional tourist and black-yellow taxi business in Goa. Bureau Report, Prudent. Finally, government sacked Vishnu Wagh as chairman of Kala Academy and vice chairman of ESG. Dayanand Mandrekar is the new Kala Academy chairman now, and Damo Naik has been appointed as the new vice chairman of ESG. Vishnu Wagh has reacted saying government was offended after his participation in the medium of instruction agitation. Vishnu is still defiant. He has again challenged government to expel him from the party.
It was bound to happen and expected, but the Muhurat was not known. Finally, government said enough is enough and snatched away Kala Academy chairmanship and ESG vice chairmanship from Vishnu Wagh. It all started like this.
हांगा पळयत जाल्यार अशें जालां की म्हज्या स्वताच्या पक्षा कडल्यान कसलेंच नैतीक बळ किंवा धीर हो म्हाका मेळूना. ऑर्डर चिंताजनक आसा.
Vishnu even used his creativity and literary skills to express his outburst.
हेच काय ते परिवर्तन, हेच काय ते परिवर्तन जिथे गुन्हेगारां अभयदान बिन दिक्कत होते पाठ राखण हल्लेखोरांची. पाहून असले कमजोर नेते अशा सरकारची लाज वाटते.
And this was Vishnu Wagh's recent onslaught on government at the MOI agitation organized by Goa Rakhand Manch.
पूण केन्ना आमकां कळोवन चुकलें ना की काळी टी-शर्टां घालप्याच्या मनान सुद्दां काळेच रावलो आनी मागीर सगळें घुटणसाव करून पत्रकार हे धोरण जाहीर केलां.
And this was the finishing touch by Vishnu Wagh. Finally, government
हो पक्ष डेमोक्रेसीच मानिना. 4 जाण ठरयता ती तांची डेमोक्रेसी. BJP is no different. At least Congress was better in some respects.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Lok Sabha election dates can be declared anytime. The office of the Chief Electoral Officer in Goa is gearing up to facilitate a smooth election process in the state. For the first time, none of the above buttons will be introduced during Lok Sabha elections. A refresher training program has been conducted for the elections-related officers. Election authorities have identified 1,623 polling stations. Introduction of Nota, none of the above option on the election voting machine has given an option to voters to register their protest against candidates and parties in their constituencies. Goa Joint Chief Electoral Officer Narayan Nauti informed that as per the Supreme Court order, none of the above buttons will be introduced on electronic voting machines.
जर समज जे कॅन्डिडेट्स थंय उबे राविल्ले आसा ते कॅन्डिडेट एकटोय तुमकां मान्य नासलो जाल्यार तो नोटा म्हणटा तो बटन दामपाचो.
Narayan Nauti informed that refresher training program was conducted for Mamladars, joint Mamladars and other related officers. Election Commission has also identified sensitive areas in North and South Goa.
Assistant Electoral Registration Officers जे assistant to RO म्हणजे रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर जो आसतलो ताका असिस्टंट अशें म्हणून ते काम करतले ते आतां तांची कॅटेगरी आसा तातूंत सादारण प्रत्येक मामलेदार, जॉयंट मामलेदार, BDOs अशे स्टाफ तातूंत भितर आसा. 1623 पोलिंग बूथ आसात सगळे नॉर्थ आनी साऊथ मेळून आनी ह्या सगळ्या पोलिंग बुथाचेर इलेक्शन जातली. सादारण 3 ते 3.5 EVMs आमचे कडेन आतां आसात. फर्स्ट लेवल चेकिंग जे EVMs करपाक ते सगळें करून कंप्लीट जाल्लें आसा आनी सगळीं EVM सील करून आमी प्रत्येक हेडक्वॉर्टर्साक दवरलेले आसा. काही पॉकेट्स धाकटे असेंब्ली कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी बारीक खंयची पॉकेट्स पळय आसात ती सेन्सिटीव किंवा हायपर सेन्सिटीव अशी म्हणून आमी आयडेंटिफाय केल्ली आसा. ती सादारण 50 ते 60च्या दरम्यान येतात.
The Office of the Chief Electoral Officer, Goa, has asked for 35 paramilitary forces for security purpose, but state may get 10 to 15.
फाटले असेंब्ली इलेक्शन आमकां 35 पॅरामिलिटरी फोर्सीसचे कंपनीज दिल्ल्यो पूण ह्या फावटी आमी एटलीस्ट 5 किंवा 10 तरी कंपनीज मेळटल्यो अशें म्हणून एक्सपेक्टेशन करतात.
Reporter Mahesh Khadi with senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.